welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am incredibly excited, double excited. First of all, I am filming for the first time in my almost renovated room. I cannot wait to show you the whole process and show you the final result. Second exciting news that I have for you guys, I am reviewing a new balloon garland from company name Angie. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, here's the name so you can see this name for yourself and read it yourself. So this company sent me this balloon garland that includes in itself like a double stuffed balloons, and I cannot wait to dig in because I've never tried double stuffed balloons ever, and it's gonna be very cool and interesting to try. So everything I will be using, I will link in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. Let's go over all of the stuff that we have here included in this kit. I removed everything from the shipment box and I put it in my baskets. That's the way that I'm organizing all of my videos. I'll explain later when I'll show you my room renovation video. But back to this kit. First things first is this hand pump and this tying tool, which I am super excited about. It will save your fingers from having blisters and damaged skin. Then we have these glue dots and this balloon strip. Then I was very surprised to see this in the kit. These are two hooks that you attach them to your wall and you are ready to secure and attach your garland to these hooks. I am not sure how they perform. I've never used these types of hooks. Will they damage my walls or they will work great? I'm not sure. And you just peel off the top portion and you have this sticky part underneath, and you just put it on your walls and you're good to go. Then looking at these balloons, we can tell that this balloon garland will be light pink and gray, because if you're stuffing your balloons like black into white, white will kind of tone down your black and it will give you the gray color. So these are 10-inch balloons. Then we have 10-inch balloons, only a little bit different in color. There is pink stuffed in white, so it will give us light pink. Then we have a mix of colors here in 12-inch balloons. These two balloons in bigger size. It doesn't have a size here, so I'm assuming like 18, maybe 24. And I am very excited about these rose gold orbs balloons. These are foiled and they are 18-inch in size. Love these balloons, very pretty. So let's go and make this balloon garland. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons up. I am obviously blowing every single balloon individually and tying every single balloon individually, because making pairs of balloons and putting them through or into balloon strip is kind of impossible, and it didn't work for me. So I am blowing everything individually and tying everything individually. Let's go. Oh, by the way, you guys, I am not using this hand pump. It's going to take me forever. So I am using my electric balloon pump, and it's going to save me lots and lots of time. These are tougher to blow because these are double stuffed, so I'm curious to try hand pump. Is it going to work as good as the electric one? So let's try this out. It works pretty good. Nice. impossible to blow with electric balloon pump, so I need to use. Here is one of my rose gold confetti balloons. So how do we fix our confettis inside of this balloon? Very easy. I am taking a towel, or you can take paper towel or any other cloth. This works just great, and I am starting to rub on my balloon all over. That way I am creating static inside of my balloon, and confetti stick to walls that way. So give it a shake. Rub some more to create more static until you're happy with the result. Okay, and here you have a confetti balloon. So do that to all of your confetti balloons. Beautiful color balloons. I love how subtle and how pale these balloons look, and these rose gold will pop so much. I don't know why this one is deflating. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. Let me know. Who knows these balloons? Please let me know in the comment section below what I did wrong. So let's take our balloon strip and let's start building this beautiful, beautiful garland. Here is my balloon strip. I don't know what I want to do. Do I want to insert balloons only on one side or twisted? I'll probably insert everything on one side. So I'll start with my, why not, with my pink balloon. So I'm taking those balloon lips and I'm inserting through this bigger hole over here, pulling this knot through, and then slide through that little slot right here. Let me show you. Slide, where is it? Slide through this little slot over here and then fix it on that smaller hole. Okay, let's move. By the way, you guys, I am not using my confetti balloons. I am setting those aside and I'm going to deal with them a little later. I'm taking another balloon, and so far I am not skipping any holes. Okay, I feel like I want to skip one hole, so I'm skipping, or you know what, let's not skip any holes. Let's work with the next hole. Okay. Next balloon. Again, I am not skipping any holes. Okay. I'm taking 12-inch balloon and inserting into a next hole. I'm not skipping holes yet. Taking another balloon. Okay, with skipping your holes, I will tell you this. If you feel like your balloons are getting a little too tight, then you can skip a hole. If not, you guys, you can always twist your balloons and kind of settle them into balloon garland. So just keep feeling your strip, keep feeling your balloons. Are they too tight, not, and decide if you want to skip a hole or not. Let me keep on working on this and I'll check in with you a little later. How am I going to attach this balloon garland to my backdrop? You guys, if you don't have a backdrop, use command hooks, half-a-pound command hooks, put it on your wall with all the instructions that are included there, and then take extra fishing line, wrap around the spot where you want to hang your balloon garland and tie it to the command hook. I'm going to do basically exactly the same thing like I would do with my command hook, but the only thing I am using are these safety pins that I'm going to pin to my fabric and then take extra fishing line, wrap it around my garland, and then go take it to that pinned safety pin and tie the extra fishing line to my safety pin. I hope this makes sense. So let's do this. Let's go. Balloon garland is on my backdrop. It's looking really pretty and really good. Love the colors. I don't really know what kind of shape my balloon garland will take. You kind of shape it yourself, push it, twist it, you know, play around, and you will find what you like. So here are the balloons that are left and laying on the floor everywhere basically. Now I want to take my glue dots and fill in spaces and just play around with volume at the bottom, and then yeah, make it pretty. I'm taking my glue dots and I will try to use more than just one glue dot. I hope there will be enough glue dots for the remaining amount of balloons that I have here. So I want to go with this gray balloon, and I want to glue this one right over here. So I'm placing my glue dots and then I'm filling Here is what I have for you guys today. How beautiful this balloon garland turned out. Thank you so much, Angie's Company. I hope I pronounced that right. I will link this balloon garland in the description under the video so you can go ahead and check it out. All of the balloon count and everything I will list in the description under the video as well. I loved working with these balloons. The quality is very nice, very soft. Just because they were double stuffed, it was a little bit tougher for me to tie knots on, but a little more strength and you're good to go. And that tying tool was very, very handy in this situation. I did struggle with this one, with this foil balloon. It was letting air out, but then I tied some extra fishing line at the opening where you insert where you blow the balloon, you know, where it was letting the air out. So I tied it and it's holding up very, very well. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough glue dots to complete this balloon garland, maybe because I didn't have or I didn't put enough balloons into my balloon strip, and it was kind of like, you know, too much of leftover balloons that I had to fill in spaces with. Other than that, everything worked very, very nicely. Everything will be listed in the description under the video. Every other you know, like my electric balloon pump and extra glue dots, I will link in the description under the video as well. Absolutely in love with this gray and pink colors, how settled they are, and this rose gold color just complements this balloon garland very, very well. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well.